Hello guys, welcome to another video. So for today's video guys, we will do another unboxing dahil magpapasko. So if you want to know more about it, kung ano ang i-unbox natin for today's video, please keep on watching. Hello guys, another vlogmas for you. Sana huwag kayong magsasawa kasi it's another unboxing again ang gagawin natin for today's vlogmas guys. So sobrang tuwang-tuwa na ako mag-unbox kasi parang I wanted to share with you guys yung mga bagay na nare-receive ko from friends, families, ganyan. Yung iba pinapadala sa akin for review. Kaya super duper na sinishare ko sa inyo yung happiness ko. Sana natutuwa kayo. Sana wag yung ma-feel na mayabang or what, but that's not my intention. I just want to share with you yung happiness na nararamdaman ko. So, without further ado guys, simulan na natin yung unboxing. So, it's been a while since the last time na nag-unbox ako or bumili ako ng vlogging camera. So, I decided to purchase one kasi nakakahiyang mag-vlog publicly. So, I decided to buy yung parang mini vlogging camera. So, pinagpilian namin is yung DJI Osmo 3 and yung Canon na V10. So, upon checking the reviews sa YouTube and stuff, so, nag-decide kami na kunin yung Canon. So, thank you sa sister ko, kay Reggie, for this cam. So, bumili kami yung camera. Nabili namin siya sa Photoline, guys. So, yan. So, let's do the unboxing. So, eto siya, guys. Tada! So, it's the Canon V10. Yan yung pangalan ng camera. So, what's inside the box of this camera? Actually, binuksan to test. Tinest na namin doon, chinek. Yun. Chinarge ko. So, hopefully tomorrow, pag silipag tayo or pag nagkaroon tayo ng chance, we will do or use this camera. Iti-test natin siya kung gaano siya kaganda. Okay? So, inside the box, syempre is manual. Yan, tatlong manual. So, aside from the manual, meron din tayo ito, how to connect your camera to your phone or to your laptop or to your tablet kung paano mo i-download yung picture. And aside from the manual, syempre, we have the camera itself. Taran! Sobrang excited ako guys and sobrang saya-saya ko. Kasi nga, magkakaroon na tayo ng bagong camera. My first ever vlogging camera is yung Canon N50 yata, N15 tawag. So, I will show it to you guys. I-share ko sa inyo yung mga camera ko. Tapos, binilan ako ng brother ko sa US nung GoPro Hero 4. So, yun din, nagagamit ko. So, eto na siya guys. So, ang ganda niya. So, kung i-on mo lang siya, eto. Ayan. Dito yung power button sa likod. So, ayan. So, kung mag-film ka, you can just push this button. Ayan. Tapos, if you want to stop, syempre ganyan. So, maganda to kasi may stabilizer din siya. So, iti-test natin to tomorrow. And, kung gusto mong nakaharap sa'yo, guys, all you need to do is to lift this up. Tapos, iharap mo na. So, ayun. Makikita mo na yung sarili mo pag nagbablog ka. So, may mga option din to. So, aaralin pa rin natin. Tapos, ang good thing about this, hindi mo na din siya kailangan bilihan ng tripod. Kasi, meron siyang sariling stand. Ito siya. Ito. Ayan. So, pwedeng ganyan. Or pwede siyang paharap. Ganyan. Ayan. Yan. Or ganyan. Ang nice, diba guys? So, kaya nagustuhan ko siya. Very handy, very comfy. Tsaka maganda yung reviews about this. Sobrang liwanag niya outside. So, tingnan natin kung indoor okay din naman siya. And aside from that, another thing na nagustuhan ko about this vlogging camera ng Canon, which is the Canon V10, is yung dual mic niya. Ayan, sa taas. Sobrang linaw pag ginamit mo. So, you don't have to a spare, to use a spare of this mic for vlogging. Kasi meron na siya dito. Pero, outside, tingnan natin, ititest natin outside kung pwede pa siya. Or kung okay yung sound niya when we use it without the another spare mic. Kung yung mic lang ito, kung malinaw ba siya. Okay? So, aside sa camera, may freebie to na 64 gig na memory card. So, may memory card na yung kasama. So, nilagay ko na rin yung memory card doon. Pinalagay ko na din kahapon. Then, aside from the memory card, meron din siyang strap na binigay. Ito. So, lalagyan natin to later on. And lastly, of course, the good thing about this camera, vlogging camera, is syempre yung charging niya. The charging port is Type-C lang siya. So, pwede mong magamit yung sa Samsung phone mo to charge it, or your iPhone na Type-C. Compatible siya doon. So, that's the good thing about it, guys. So, yun lang yung laman ng box natin. And sobrang happy ako at excited na magamit yung new vlogging camera ko. Sana excited din kayo for me, guys. And sana nagustuhan niyo itong vlog na to, itong vlogmas kong to. Again, I'm not bragging about it. I just want to share with you guys yung happiness ko. Sana natutuwa din kayo. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of the Sachikins family, please do follow me in my TikTok account, Your Girl Sachi, and of course, my YouTube channel, Your Girl Sachi. Until my next vlog, guys, thank you, everyone. Advance Merry Christmas. Bye!